it. What are you waiting for? Subscribe my YouTube channel now for more updates and videos. Bye-bye!